Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete particular conversation on Pinterest. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Pinterest app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to the inbox icon that is located on bottom. Tap on it and here you will see message. Tap on it. And now if you want to delete a particular message, then go to the chat box. Let me go to this chat box, tap on it, and here you will find 3 dots, click on it, but there is no option to delete your conversation. Now if you try to delete this message by simply holding on it, then there will be no other option to delete conversation. The only way that I find is go to the 3 dot button and here hide conversation. It will hide your conversation, not delete. So this is the only way to hide your conversation or delete conversation. And if you want to get this again back on your conversation, on your message list, then you can just simply tap on the profile icon and go to the message and just simply message them. Then it will again come back to your message list. So this is how you can delete messages on Pinterest app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.